Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will explain to you what Elrond is. Let's roll. Elrond is a highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain platform that enables users to create apps, tokens and smart contracts. Elrond's goal is to create an ecosystem of dApps by combining decentralization with cross-chain interoperability. Some people believe that Elrond may become a competitor of Ethereum and Zilliqa. The project was founded by Lucian Todia, Benjamin and Lucian Minku in 2017. The team is a mix of entrepreneurs and technical experts that definitely gives a good basis for project development. In 2019, the company was able to raise $1.9 million that was donated by various investors. In summer 2019, Elrond also raised $3.25 million during the initial exchange offering, which cost the company 25% of its total token supply. The first version of the coin was also created back then. It was called the EGLD coin. However, after the launch of the mainnet in 2020, the team decided to change the coin. Thus, EGLD appeared. All the investors received a transitory period to exchange the initial coin for the latest one. Why Elrond is unique? Elrond is a complete redesign of blockchain architecture with the aim to achieve global scalability and near-instant transaction speed. Elrond's architecture has the following key innovations. First, it is built on the secure proof-of-stake consensus protocol, which mitigates potential attack vectors when compared to proof-of-work. Second, it uses adaptive state sharding that splits the network so that the nodes would have to process only a fraction of transactions. EGLD is a local cryptocurrency that is used to interact with applications and run smart contracts. This coin also serves as an incentive for users of the platform. What are the advantages of Elrond? A variety of programming languages can be used to create apps on the platform. Sharding that provides faster speed for transactions. A limited amount of coins ensures the increase of its price. Secure proof-of-stake, which mitigates potential attack vectors when compared to proof-of-work, while also enabling large throughput and fast execution. Are there any disadvantages? Some skeptics say that Elrond did not create anything innovative. However, it wins by combining the best of existing technologies to produce a better product. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Elrond project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.